Hi guys, today I'm playing Flicker with my friend. I'm the Muffin Man and my friend says she was the survivor. I don't know if I can trust her. Where is she? She only stays AFK. I'm just going to tell her to follow me on my phone. Okay, she said she's coming to me now. By the way, she wears pigtails. Okay. Oh, she's behind me, guys. Let me just say hi. And see what she says. Okay. I don't know what she's doing. Okay, she said hi back. I'm gonna write my journal. We'll just write this. Attempt of 1 didn't work out, by the way. Okay. Apparently my bestie's gonna write hers now. I'm just gonna watch around. Wait, I'm gonna give Teddy. Okay. I'm gonna add that in my journal. Kylie is good, by the way. I don't think she's good, but like, I'm just gonna write it down so people don't accuse her straight away, because I don't know. Okay. My friend's apparently gonna write, wait, I'm gonna give you guys an angle to see what everybody's doing while my friend writes their journal because we're texting. Okay. Okay, apparently my friend's done right now. Look at that girl's face, it looks so funny. I'm gonna text her and run to the fire. Okay, apparently she's gonna come. She doesn't really like play Roblox much actually. She's normally just watches things, but yeah, who knows. Okay, I'm just gonna stand here. Wait, let's see what's happening around. Discuss who may be evil. Wait, did somebody die? I don't think anybody died unless I missed it. I'm sorry guys if I missed it. I probably did. I don't know. And by the way, I will stop recording when I die, but yeah, so I'll stop recording when I die. Wait, can I give my friend? I'm gonna give my friend. By the way, the reason that's her username is because we both have a friend like that. And maybe later on in one of my videos, you might be able to spot something. I don't know. Anyway. By the way, these are both my accounts. But my friend just plays on this account when she wants to play Roblox with me. She wanted to play Roblox with me today. So, yeah. I'm going to go exploring. So this is everybody. That's very dramatic. Adrian. Okay, that looks so sad. Oh no, I'm going with my friend. I'm not dying. Okay, I'm just gonna stand here. Let's wait. Let me just see what everybody's doing. Somebody wrote. I'm gonna get Blush because maybe I should get Kylie one after because apparently she's good. Wait, is Kylie dead? I think Kylie's dead. No, I wanted to give her a muffin. I can't tell if she's dead or not. Great. It's gone silent. Wait, where's the fireplace over here? Okay, let's see. This is Teddy. I wish I could give myself a muffin. Wait, I think I can actually. Wait, I hate how it does that. I don't want to pass note. Oh no. 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 Good survivor. Good team. Have a nice day, night, and please stay hydrated. Heed this bite, please. Okay, that person by the mystery chanter. Okay, Spygar didn't have anything in her journal, I'm guessing. Discussing may be evil. I'm gonna go discuss. My friend's just gonna be AFK. Alright, clues. See what people say. Nobody's saying anything. That girl's just dancing. Oh, can we do emotes? No, maybe I can try the E. Every time I try this, it doesn't work. So, yeah. You dance? Nah. People think it's blush. Oh my god, sorry guys. I just dropped my mouse. Because I was doing schoolwork. I'm gonna do dark. People saying dark psycho, so I'm going to do. I'm gonna do a random. I don't know who I did. I think I did the girl without clothing. Oh my god, I'm back 6. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go back to my friend. Oh, it's dark. Yep, go back. Wait, it's just the paintings, guys. There's paintings. We can't zoom in. Okay, let's see. I'm a survivor, and somebody is hunting prey. Okay. That was odd. If you get what I mean. Oh, I think my bestie's online. Yeah, my bestie's online. She says she's gonna go watch TV. Okay, she's gonna watch TV. I'm probably gonna join her in a sec. Oh, she said she doesn't know how to get on the... She doesn't know how to sit. I'm like, you can't sit? I don't think you can sit on these games. Yeah, wait, she's over there. I'm gonna stand here with her. How disconnected on her. You hear commotion around you. Let's see. I'm gonna give myself. Oh, I can't give myself. Teddy. I think I'm gonna give Teddy. No! I don't know if I did it on time. I'm gonna go talk to those people. Light turns back on and see if we can get any clues because we've got to work this out. Apparently. Let me write. Oh my god. Anna died from mystery concert. They were placed on top of the fridge. That's just. Any clue? Oh my god. Blush died from. I know I like Blush. No. Teddy died from the murderer. Okay. Torn apart in the sink. Jesus Christ. Clues, guys. Any clue, guys? Any clues? Blush left. Discuss who may be evil. Okay, James. You sus. James, you sus. Okay, I believe you, but if any sus, I will vote you okay. Alright, if I die, it's James. Alright, James. Die, it's James. If I die, it's James. Side, no fence. To be on safe side, no offense. I wonder what my bestie's up to. Who knows? She's probably like, I don't know, staring at the fire or sitting down. No. I will give one to James because I sort of think James is nice. I want to accept that girl's friend request. Well, I actually declined it. But my friend doesn't have many friends, so I think she might. It's gone. So the mirror doesn't really do much on second nights, does it? But then on thirds and fourth, it goes back in, and sometimes it slows down. And sometimes the mirror's like, nah, I'm just gonna be good. The thing that gets me, some mirrors don't even murder, and it's like, I'm not really nice. Yes. That dropped, didn't it? Okay. Alright. No problem. Okay. Okay. They want one, so I guess I can give them one. Every time somebody sends off from it, I sometimes ask for one. And they're like, yeah, okay, sure. This is my bestie. From James. Thank you. I want to see what my bestie's doing. I think she's offline. Yeah, she's offline. Wait, what? Oh no, James got voted. I'm gonna write AFK for a second, guys, because my friend's texting me. Mama, where's the pizza? Okay, that's weird. So yeah, my friend's just texting me. Sorry, I'm still doing some of my schoolwork, by the way. Oh wait, what? Sorry, lol. Sorry guys, I'm doing my work right now. That's why I'm AFK, and my friend's texting me, so like, yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna give one to the guy who wanted one. Because he wanted one, so he can have one. Because I'm the Muffin Man, and I give people muffins. I think, I'm not gonna lie, I think it's Nicole. Alright, I know, and if she reacts, because every time she reacts, it's normally a signal that she's it. I know who's which, because she buys a Game Pass to be this Game Pass, so I think she's which. fault for texting me, because she texted me. Telling me, because we are texting right now. Alright. Nicole. It's Nicole. By the way, she doesn't care. We do this all the time. Oh no. What's happening? Muffin Man, Spy, Survivor, Spy. Yeah, see guys, she's witch. Yeah guys, we won. Anyway, that would be